Kí Alẹ́ Tó Dé Before Night, produced by Oluwafikayomi Oladunni Oyewole, has officially made its pathway to Ukraine Film Festival. This is a testament that Nigerian stories has the potential to cross borders. And tell me something, this is just the beginning. Hello, amazing people, once again. It's your boy Oluwafikayomi Oyewole. Yes, and guess what? I'm a young actor, a film producer, a film director, a CEO and creative director Oladunni Productions, and I am also the co-founder of Inkcrew, a platform connecting writers to producers. Also, the creative director at Imole Asha magazine. So, this is something you need to know. This is something you need to know. See, as Nigeria is, I feel we all need to support creativity. And trust me, this is one of the best videos you should watch. This is one of the best videos you should share. And guess what? Yeah, I am not just a young film producer or an actor. You might want to be like, oh, what have you done for this? What have you done for this? So now I'm going to tell you my story. Yeah, I began my journey into filmmaking when I was 12 years old. Yeah, although when I was 8 years old, my dad took me to a film set here in Adigbe, Abeokuta, Ogun State. Yeah, where I met Daddy Olaya Igwe, Daddy Atakwa, and a lot of them. Yeah, that day I had a passion of filmmaking, but I don't know. Because of my education, I was unable to join filmmaking at that point. But I came back into film industry at age 12, where I joined TAFTA, Terra Academy for the Arts by Bolanle Austin Peters in collaboration with Mastercard Foundation, guys. So these people trained me really well. Like, they trained me to learn about filmmaking, how to produce a film, how to do a lot of things under the great top coach, Mr. Lukman Abiose. And guess what? That training helped me because since then I have been able to establish my own film production company, which is registered under CAC. I'll be able to make it. And guess what? Oladunni Productions now empowers 25 teenagers. Yes, 25 teenagers ages 14 to 17. And guess what? Not just that, they have even produced a short film that has been premiered. It was premiered at Capricorn Cinema, Kuto, Abeokuta, Ogun State.
Can your father ever?
What's the meaning of that?
I was not talking to you, so mind your business.
She's my
It's
business.
none of your business. She's not your business.
Angel, please move.
I
I'm not
can't
talking to you.
move.
Move out of my
I
way.
can't move out. How dare you even tell me to move out?
Please move out of my way. Are you okay?
I am okay.
Are you high?
I'm not I.
You must be very stupid.
I am not stupid.
How dare you?
How dare you? Because I am not on your level. You must be very stupid. How dare you slap me back?
And guess what? That's not just all. This same Oladunni Productions few days ago hosted an international film masterclass for upcoming filmmakers, where we invited people like Mr. Moses Agochukwu, head of distribution, Silverbird Distribution West Africa. We invited Ms. Wigonia Ikwi. We invited Mr. Lukman Abiose Asthmatic. We invited Divine Prince A. We also invited Mr. White Folani, and guess what? This was only in partnership with Actors Guild of Nigeria, Ogun Chapter, and TAFTA, Terra Academy for the Arts by Bolanle Austin Peters. But do you not know what? Out of all this my journey that you may think is inspiring and all, do you know what was my first achievement? My first achievement is something, and that was getting my production recognized by Google, because Google is a search engine and it isn't easy to get recognized on a search engine. So the moment Oladunni Productions got recognized on the search engine through its first film, Silent Vengeance, which was a short film created by us to speak against bullying in secondary schools. And guess what? This film is something you need to watch. Now, do you know one thing? In this Nollywood industry, we all face challenges of financing. No matter how big you are, we are facing challenges of financing. I am also facing challenges of financing. Oladunni Productions, we want to scale. I want to scale. I want to empower more teenagers like me, like I have been doing. But financing is a really, really, really big problem that is affecting every single one of us in Nollywood. So the stories we are telling, everything we are seeing, the quality of films, whether low quality like some people call it, or high quality like some people also call it, or maybe low budget film production, let me tell you something. Financing is the main problem, because here in Nigeria we need to invest more into the creative sector. We need to invest more into the entertainment sector. The government needs to support us. If the government support us well, only then can we be able to produce better films. Only then can we be able to make more films. Only then can we be able to, you know, do what you all want as our audience. Only then can we be able to make films watching. But do you know what? We are still trying. We are trying our best to make films, and yes, that is what we are doing. And that is why I, Oluwafikayomi Oyewole, I keep empowering teenagers, I keep empowering youth. And guess what? I am ready to produce more blockbuster movies. My first project was Silent Vengeance. Yeah, Silent Vengeance was a short film that was premiered at Capricorn Cinema, like I said before. After that, I produced Underrated in collaboration with the Future King, now Creative Kid International. Then we made Lost, also in collaboration with the Future King. Then we made Kialetode. Kialetode is a Yoruba-based love, or let me just call it a romantic short film that was giving, you know, the audience the question that, oh, is it everybody we make promises to that we will love forever, that we actually love? Come on.
Adikola, mi ò rò bóyá lè fẹ́ra mọ́ o.
Kí ló dé? Máa dúró díẹ̀.
Rárá o, mi ò rò bóyá ó máa ṣèṣe mú.
Jọ̀ọ́, má ṣe báyìí. Jọ̀ọ́, ẹ wà.
So we need your support, my people. We need to invest more into the creative industry. Yeah, I used to read comments of people online, oh, this story is quack, oh, this resolution is quack, oh, the film quality is bad. Please and please, every single film we are producing, we are trying our best to make it. We are trying our best to tell a story, because we need more support. We need more investment in the entertainment sector, the creative sector. We need more investment. So someone was like, oh, Fikayo, you are at this young age, how did you achieve all that new productions? So do you know what I will say? It is consistency and it is grace of God. Consistency and grace of God. Òun ni ó jẹ́ kí dé ibi tí mo dé, òun dẹ̀ ni ó jẹ́ kí ṣe nǹkan kékeré tí mo ṣì lè ṣe, tí mo ṣì lérò pé mo máa ṣe sí. So someone also asked me, oh, who are those that you think are inspiring you? Who are those you would like to walk this journey with? There are plenty people. If it's about that, I have people like Mommy Jaye Kuti, I have Mr. Waifolami, I have Divine Prince, I have Mr. Lukman Abiose Asthmatic, I have Miss Wigona Ikwi, I have Mr. Moses Agochukwu, I have Mommy Judith Odu, I have Mommy Bam Bam, I have Mommy Omomi Dada, I have a whole lot of people. I even have Ambassador Chief Okola Oyewole. I have a whole lot of people that, you know, I would like to take this amazing journey. Even Mommy Bolanle Osipitas herself, by Safemi Adebayo. Yes, okay, yeah, let me tell you something about Safemi Adebayo. Yeah, I can remember, I think I was 6 years old or so. Yeah, Safemi Adebayo came to deliver a career day talk at my brother's secondary school, Sacred Heart Catholic College, which I'm currently a student also. Yeah, he came to deliver a career day talk there, and that was my first time of seeing Barrister Femi Adebayo. When I saw him, when I was talking to people and all, I enjoyed his session. His session inspired me. Then when he was doing his session, I asked him, sir, I'm like, sir, how does a film producer know an actor? And I was like, when an actor studies in school, when he graduates and all, a producer will automatically know the person. That is what inspired me to become who I am today. So all thanks to Barrister Femi Adebayo. Thank you so much, Daddy. I love you so much for inspiring me. Thank you very much. I truly appreciate it. But please, we still want more inspiration. We want you to do a whole lot more for us. We want you to do a whole lot of marvelous work for us. More inspiration, more support, and all. Oladmi Productions is calling on every Nollywood filmmaker out there. Please and please, your mentorship is okay. Your mentorship is enough. Your inspiration, your words of motivation is enough for us at Oladmi Productions to do more. It's not necessarily finance, just your mentorship is okay. So someone also asked me, is it true you are the founder of Oladmi? Is it true you are a founder of Inku? Is it true you're a founder of Inku? And is it true that you're the co-founder of Inku and also the creative director of Imole Asha magazine? Well, I am just a co-founder at Inku, and Inku is a platform that connects scriptwriters to producers. But I am the creative director at Imole Asha magazine, which is a magazine that it portrays our culture, our past legends like Sir Uba Tugunde, late Ayinla Omowura, King Sunny Ade, and a whole lot of legends that we have. So it's more of an entertainment. It's more of an entertainment magazine which you all need to read. So that is all I can say about that. There's one asked me, Fikayo, Oluwafikayomi Oladunni Oyewole, what is your vision for Nollywood? Anyway, so my vision for Nollywood is so simple. I love to be a platform that, I love to be someone who portrays others to the world, who brings talents to limelight, and that is basically what I like. If you check on my films that I've produced, I don't act as main characters. I mostly act as extras or background characters because I love pushing people to limelight. So please, if within my little age, within my little effort, because I'm a small boy, I'm a small but mighty, like I like to put it, because through God has strengthened me, there's everything I can do and there's nothing I can't do. So if I can try to be doing that, please, we need your support, my people. We need your words of encouragement, your motivation, your inspiration, and a whole lot of things. So that's what Oladunni Productions is here for. So all I can say is that for upcoming filmmakers and all, my advice to you all is that no matter what you create, no matter how small it is, keep creating, because one day a small creation will definitely become a big something. And trust me, even a low budget film that people call it is definitely an high budget film for every single person. So guys, and I'm very sure every story is worth creating. So to end it with the slang people use, you feel like you want to die but you not die, yeah, could manage. So no matter how hard or tough the journey may seem, you definitely do it well, because I believe in you. Nollywood believes in you. The future of Nollywood belongs to you. Thank you very much, guys.
I sincerely want to appreciate my family, the Oyewole family, and the Saola Oyewole family. I truly appreciate them for their sincere support for my career. Because if not for them, I would be nothing. If not for their motivation, if not for their support, both financially and morally, I would definitely be nothing. In fact, I wouldn't have done my first project. So all special thanks goes to God, my family, the Oyewole family, Tafta by Bolande St. Peters, St. Benedict, being my foundation and being the source for me to meet by Stephen Madebayo, Sacred Heart Catholic College, Zuka Kids, Mr. White Folari, Auntie Bam Bam, Auntie Momi Dada, and many amazing people, even Uncle Lawrence Iweribo. In conclusion, also, I want to really appreciate the Almighty God for the wisdom and the guidance He has been giving me, and I pray He will keep giving me more and more in Jesus' name.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.